Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new vlog video. Today, if I talk about one presentation topic, so let's get start this topic. This topic name is why I need to learn spoken English. So let's get start this topic. So dear friends, English is one of the most important languages in the world. It is spoken by millions of people as their first or second language, and it's bring many benefits to our personal and professional lives. So dear friends, so many example like three or four example I talk about. So first of all, when you go to another country, the time this language is most important for communication purposes, and tourism purposes is the most important language. So another one, job and employment. So when you go to job purposes, go to another company, you can speaking English, and you get like a job. So you don't speaking English, you cannot speaking English, you don't get job. So dear friends, and another things, education and knowledge. Education and knowledge. Most of the books, research, paper, and are in English. Knowing English can many benefits to our personal and professional lives. So, dear friends, and internet and social media platform is the big opportunity for learning English. Today, I am making video for learning English and practicing purposes. It's the my one mobile phone. I record this video. I think it's a social media and technology is the most important for learning English. Social media means Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, so many type of application. Maximum application use in English language very important. Like social media platform, most popular social media platform are in English language. So this is the most important language, I think. So another things like entertainment and media. Entertainment means when you English movies and English songs and English entertainment video, you don't and you cannot speaking English, and you don't understand English language. So that time you very big problem. So this is the things.